We're attempting to get the birds to come to the birdseed feeders that we made. And what do we put on them?
Peanut
On top of?
butter.
We put peanut butter on top of what? On top of the Cheerios? And then we dip them in birdseed, right?
Birdseed? Yeah. Right.
So we're going to see if, I don't know if you can see over there the two things on top of the fence. We are in our bird-proofed mission control center. Oh, I hear one right behind us. And we're going to see if they come and eat the food.
I'm going to see what that was.
So far, well, we have to stand here or they'll see us.
I'll just peek at one time.
You're going to what's the word?
You?
No. You're gonna compromise the mission.
I can't see until I think he's on top of our tent.
Okay, well then be still. Okay. Oops. Be careful. We have our bird guide. We're ready. Why are you leaving?
I'm coming to see the boys.
You're a total failure at subterfuge. Did you toot again? Charlie! You're going to get rid of the birds in every way possible.
I'm going to get the blood seed.
No, there's already seed out there. Sit down.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I will wear a disguise.
What kind of disguise?
Shut up.
All right. We're going to continue with the world's worst bird seed hiding mission ever. Sigh.